Navigating the unknown. Understanding, stumble in the dark. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, stumble in the dark. This expression paints a vivid picture, but what does it actually mean? And how can we use it in everyday conversation? Stick around as we explore this phrase, its origins, and examples of its use in English. We hope this video enlightens you and enhances your English language skills. Stumble in the dark is a metaphorical phrase used to describe a situation where someone is trying to find their way or solve a problem without clear guidance or knowledge. Imagine trying to walk in a completely dark room, where you can't see anything. There's a good chance you might trip over something because you don't know where you're going. Similarly, when we say someone is stumbling in the dark, we mean they're attempting to do something without understanding or without enough information to guide them properly. The phrase, stumble in the dark, doesn't have a specific origin that can be pinpointed to a single source or moment in history. Instead, it's a vivid image drawn from the literal experience of trying to move in darkness, which has been understood and experienced universally across cultures and times. This universality makes it a powerful metaphor for expressing the confusion and difficulty of proceeding without guidance or insight. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation or writing. 1. In personal challenges, after I lost my job, I felt like I was stumbling in the dark, trying to figure out what to do next. 2. In business, starting a new company without any market research is like stumbling in the dark. It's risky and uncertain. 3. In learning and education, without a teacher's guidance, trying to learn advanced mathematics on your own can feel like stumbling in the dark. These examples show that the phrase can be applied in various contexts, from personal struggles to professional endeavors, highlighting the universal nature of navigating uncertainty. When using the phrase, stumble in the dark, it's important to remember its connotations of uncertainty, lack of guidance, and the potential for error. It's best used in scenarios where these themes are relevant and can add a layer of descriptive imagery to your communication. You can use it to express empathy, to describe your own experiences, or to caution others about the challenges they might face without proper preparation or information. We hope this exploration of stumble in the dark has shed some light on its meaning, origins, and use in English. Phrases like this enrich our language, offering concise and vivid ways to describe complex emotions and situations. Remember, understanding and using such expressions can greatly enhance your fluency and expressive capabilities in English. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of the English language. Stay curious, and happy learning!